Welcome. If you want to know how to edit your YouTube videos on Canva, keep watching. So I will just go on to Canva now. So when Canva is open, this is your dashboard. So I'll make sure to select video because it's a video I'll be making. And then I'll select YouTube video. Since it's a YouTube video I want to edit. So when I click on YouTube video, I come to this page. Then on this page, you can see I have a blank canvas. Then below it, you see the video timeline. This is the video timeline at the bottom. Then you also see video templates, but I will not be using the templates. I will upload my own video. So to upload a video, at the left-hand side of my screen, I'll click Uploads. Then I can upload either audio, video, or image. I'll select video. Then I'll select Upload Media to upload my video from my computer. So I'll just type in the name of the video file and click Open to upload it into Canva. So you can see the video has been uploaded now. So I'll just hold the video and then drag it to the timeline below. As you can see, it has been added to my timeline. So I'll now go ahead to start editing the video. So next, we're going to split the video to remove unwanted parts. To split the video, to remove any unwanted parts, we'll click and hold the playhead to the point where you want the split to happen. So click, hold, and drag the playhead. So this is the point where I want to split from. Now right click and select split from the pop-up menu. So I'll just select split. As you can see, it has been split with the plus sign in between the two slides now. So I'll drag it to the next point, right click, select split. You can see it has been split into 3. So another way you can do it is by playing the video from the beginning, so you know exactly where you want the split to happen, so you don't end up splitting the wrong place. So you can see I'm playing it. Yes, this is the place I want it to happen. Then I'll go ahead and select the middle slide, which is the one I want to delete. Click on the dustbin icon at the top right corner, and then it is deleted. So that's how to delete unwanted parts of your video in Canva. So next, we're going to add BRoll footage. So to add BRoll, we'll have to select upload BRoll from our computer. So go to Upload, click on Upload, click on Videos. You can see I already have some videos uploaded, so I'll just select from one of them. So I'll select this. I will click, hold, and drag, this time to the canvas, not to the video timeline. As you can see, I'll drag it to the canvas and leave the mouse. As you can see, it has been added. And also added to the timeline too. So I can adjust the size of how I want it to appear. If I want it to cover the whole screen, I'll drag it over the whole screen. But I just want it to appear in a corner, so I'll just place it where I want it to be. So I've placed it here. So you can see it has been added to the second slide. But I don't want it to play for the duration of the whole slide. So I'll go ahead and split that slide so that I can shorten the duration of the B-roll. If not, it will keep on playing as a loop on my main video. So I want it to play for 10 seconds. So I'll just drag the playhead to 10 seconds and then split the slide from there. So I'll just split it at this point. So I'll just go ahead, select this middle slide. I want to remove the B-roll from here. So I'll select the B-roll, go to the top of my page, click on the dustbin icon, and the B-roll will be deleted from that slide. So you can see the B-roll appears only on the last slide. So that's where I want it to appear. As you can see, it appears on that slide. So I'll go ahead and edit the volume of my B-roll. So when I select the B-roll at the top, you see the volume icon. Click on it, then this pop-up comes up. Then you can adjust the volume from 100 down. So I'll leave it at 25. So that's how to adjust the volume of your B-roll. It even has its own play button. So you click on it, you see how the volume is. If it's too loud or too low, you can still adjust it. So that is how to adjust the volume of your B-roll. So you can also adjust the length of your B-roll. When you select the B-roll, click on the scissors icon at the top. And you can see the timeline of the B-roll appear. So you click at the end, hold and drag to either shorten or lengthen the B-roll. Then click done. That's how to edit the. So next, we're going to add and customize text, then add transitions. So to add text to our video, we'll come over to the left-hand side of the screen. And click on text. We can add a heading, a subheading, or a little bit of body text. So we'll just select a heading and then type in whatever we want. Then we'll go ahead to customize the text. You can change the color at the top. Click on the font color, change it. I think I'll go with the darker purple. We can change the font style, the font type. I think I'll go with this. You can change the font size. All this, you can do it at the top of the page once the text is selected. Then we'll place the text where we want it to be. We also animate the text. So when you click on the three dots at the top, you select animate. Then you choose the type of animation you want for your text. That is how the text comes in and goes out. So I'm selecting pan. I can go ahead and add a background to my text. I'll go to element and select a square. Then I'll customize it and place it behind my text. You can see my text now has a background. You can also animate the background. Select animate at the top and also select pan. Now, as you can see, I've added a text with background. To add transitions to our video, you can see the plus sign in between the clips. If you click on it, you'll see the option to add transitions or to add page. The plus sign is add page, then the one below is add transitions. When you click on it, then the different types of transitions you can add will appear. As you hover over each one, you'll notice the effect on your video. So you just choose the one you like and add. Well, I'm not going to add any transition to this video, but this is how to add transition to your videos. So next, we're going to add a page, a blank page to our video. You can see when you click on that plus sign, you choose the option to add page. You can see I've added a blank page. So you can add whatever you want to this blank page. You can add video, audio, or a picture, or an image to this blank page. So I'll just go ahead to my uploads and choose what I want to add to the blank page. You click on uploads. I think I'll add this image. When you click, you drag into the canvas. You can see it automatically appears to the timeline. So I'll just go ahead and adjust it to fill the screen. So that's how to add a blank page. Then you add whatever you like on the blank page. To add music to our video, we'll just go ahead to our uploads, click on upload, then click on audio. You can see I've already uploaded a few YouTube videos, audios that are free and copyright free. But if you haven't uploaded any, you click upload media. So I've uploaded this. I'll just click on it. As you can see, it has been added. The purple bar at the bottom is your music timeline. So it has been added. So in order to edit the music timeline, you click on it to select it. Then you go to the top where you have the volume icon. You can adjust the volume. You can duplicate or delete. So I'll just adjust the volume. I think I'll go for 30. You can see the volume has been adjusted. I'll just go ahead and check the length of the music bar to see if it covers the whole length of the video. If not, I'll duplicate it. Okay, it covers the whole length of the video, so no need to duplicate it. But if your music bar is too short, you can duplicate it. So it plays for the entire length of your video. So that is how to add the music bar to your, that's how to add music to your video in Canva. So when you are done, the next thing is to download your video. So you just go to the top right, click on download with the down arrow. Then this page pops up. Be sure to select MP4 video if it's not already selected for you. And be sure to select all pages if it is not already selected. Then you click download. Then when you click download, it automatically downloads to your computer. Then you can upload it on YouTube. So guys, this is how to edit your YouTube video in Canva. I hope you learned a few things from this video. Yes, you can also share your video with whoever you like. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to help us grow, and write in your comments any other video that you would like me to make, any other thing that you would like me to make a video about in Canva. Thank you.